2 cab over is all the information that I ended up getting for it. So whenever we end up getting there, we will see what's going on. The operator ended up stating that it's been rear towed before, so we'll see what those front tires look like to make sure that it can go the next county over. Said it's 1982. 82. And you said who was driving it or mainly used it for?
George Jones.
George Jones.
Scrapplers, Graphic boys, so they heard with them.
You can go through, do a rear tow up on this one. Got double bags on both. So we'll go through, again, like I said, do a rear tow up on here. Come up underneath. When we lift it, we'll probably go straight to the axle, fork off of that, just because you got a few weld points that go onto the bumper, but then again, it's also bolted on. So we'll go through and do that. Few of them. All the way, we just opened up a location, Louisville. By doing the right side of the chain. rope comes in. Set and get off this brake canister right here. So we'll go through, tilt up, get off that brake. All right, super nice and flush. All right, go through. We'll set it back down. We'll tie up that front axle and go from there. All right, until I go through and end up getting them out. I got safeties. I went ahead and tied up my front drives. Got the safeties around. I got straps going around the axles, the rear drive axle. I went ahead and secured the front steering wheel, well, the only steering wheel at that. And then of course got the light bar that's up on there. So he did state that the wind deflector is a little bit loose, but he said it won't come off. But we're only going about 5 miles and we'll end up keeping it slow. So alrighty, see you soon.